Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the image ready. Now act. Open your browser and navigate to Google Images. Once there, click the small camera icon in the search bar to use reverse image search. You can drag the file into the box, upload it, or paste a direct image URL. Make sure the image is the highest resolution available because Google matches details. Higher detail improves results. If you're on mobile, choose Desktop Site or use the Google Apps Lens feature to start immediately. Once Google returns matches, scan the thumbnails and top text lines to understand context and likely sources. Click all sizes to see higher resolution matches, and open pages that include matching images to find original context or metadata. If results are noisy, copy a descriptive phrase you see and paste it into a regular Google search to filter by site, date, or file type. Make sure to try alternative keywords and remove color or size filters to broaden or narrow. You're finishing by confirming the most credible source. Open at least 2 independent pages that host the image. Compare metadata, captions, and dates to verify origin. Use search operators like site, domain, or file type JPG to isolate candidates and cross-check with other engines like Bing or TinEye. If searches fail, crop out borders or watermarks, reduce size, or switch to Google Lens for on-device analysis. If nothing appears, the image may be new, edited, or private. Try contacting the uploader.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.